County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 7 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near La Crosse to Lake Village, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lamont, Wheatfield, Lake Village, Rose Lawn, Fifth Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, Sayre, Somerville Resorts, and Stoutsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather radar.